How to fix the disappearing messages on Instagram. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the disappearing messages on Instagram. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. First of all, open your Instagram application and try to write any messages to the person. When you go back and again turn on, you will see that the message is there, but this is the vanish mode where the messages will be deleted. So how you can turn off this disappearing messages is just swipe up and you will see that the messages are gone and the disappearing and the vanished messages are also turned off. If you want to turn it on again, then just swipe up and the vanish mode is again turned on. If you again want to disappear the messages, then you can simply turn off the vanish mode. So this is how you can enable or disable the vanish mode on Instagram and turn the disappearing mode on the messages as well. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.